Did you just say we're all whores, Bernsey?
You're a whore.
Oh, Scotty. Never mind.
Front shock.
Oh, this thing's...
Shocks.
Yeah, it's all fucked.
Okay, so all the shocks are toast. The back end's bouncing almost as bad as the front. We're barely touching it. Let's go to the back just for...
Is this like one of your dates?
No, that's when you want a water bed and you just do one push and the bed does the rest.
Oh. Okay.
Say that again?
That's weird. He said something about it's got new springs in the back, but it's funky.
So that one's really good. Something's loose.
Well, we'll check everything when it's on the lift.
What? No. Watch the way this bounces. Burnsy, come here.
Well, no, watch the front end.
No, come here. I want you to be... Face me from the laptop. Face me.
Oh, not that way, okay.
Your other left.
Yeah, your other backside.
The other backside.
All right, now just
Have another banquet.
Watch the back end. Just don't say nothing. Just watch the back end.
That's weird.
Okay, that's what's shaking the front. Weird.
So the issue is back here, not up front. It needs front shots, but the issue is back here.
We'll go through it all. It's getting all gone through. So, shall we go give a little underhood look-see?
I brought a light.
Brought a light!
Backwards. Almost blinded Scotty.
All right. Well, we have...
Blinded by the light.
So, we have a new-ish alternator.
Belts look good from here,
So
from what I can see.
is that Krusty's on the thermostat housing?
Let me see. There it is. Krusty's around the thermostat housing. Oh, yeah. The distributor has a new vacuum chamber. The coil's leaking. You know how they have oil in them? It's leaking.
You want me to take the air cleaner off?
That's cute. Yeah, if you want to pull the air cleaner, that'd be great. That'd be great, Mr. Burns. All right, so it's got a newer Edelbrock. I say newer because it has the Torx hardware and not just the regular flathead or Phillips hardware. So it's got a newer, of course, the hack work of instead of making the hard line correct and getting the right fitting, we do this mess here. Drives me nuts. But that should be easy enough to adjust and remedy.
So no, it's a big block.
Very good, Bernsey. It is a...
So 440?
This blade doesn't scare me. I've constructed...
Okay, whatever you're doing, Scotty, stop.
No, because I can't play too much of it because it would be a copyright infringement. So if I play bits and pieces of it,
Anyway...
Excellent.
Anyway... Back to what we're doing.
And they got it. Booyah!
Oh, boy.
Watch this in me hot.
Yeah, I know. Definitely scuzzy around the manifold. We'll probably hit that with a little brake clean, see if we have an intake leak or not anywhere.
Okay.
While it's running. Valve covers look good so far. Give me some light, sir.
Just give me some light.
Lord, give me the light. It's a little damp. Not bad.
So is it moist?
It's moist.
Do we know if the AC works?
No, we'll get to that in a bit.
Okay.
It's a little moist, Scott.
It's a little moist.
Oh, this one's a little moist too. Oh, that's funny. That one's got a rubber gasket, and this one's got a cork gasket. So let's just do valve cover gaskets
And the
for sure.
AC unit has an original true copper pipe.
No.
That is cool.
Isn't that? That's badass.
Weren't you hitting copper pipes? Oh, I thought this was the camera. I'm sorry. I moved the wrong thing.
Take the light from.
Anyway, we got some seepage on the power steering here. We'll look in more later, but this is just a quickie. The front two belts are iffy. It's the belts going to the alternator and the compressor are new.
Yeah.
These two have been around the block a while. There's the...
But we still like you.
Whore. Look what I found.
What'd you find?
The battery, a piece of the battery holder.
Luckily,
Anywho. Check power steering fluid. Oh, well, there's part of our problem. There's no power steering fluid in it, which would probably be because of this leak. When we have it on the lift, we'll have more information.
So what I'm gonna do, super quick.
What are you doing super quick? Super Friends?
Super Friends, Wonder Twin powers activate. Form of an ice dildo. Drip.
What? What is wrong with this guy? Thank God John likes you.
Oh shit!
If he didn't like you, it'd be a bit... Now he's... Now we've lost all control.
Man, eyes are so drip. That's all.
Oh God.
Start her up real quick.
Scotty.
Mm-hmm.
Fill the hole with your fluids.
It's moist, dear. It's moist. I swear. Moist fluids.
Oh. I can't.
One, fingers and toes.
Now turn the string up gently back and forth, side to side. Stop. Back and forth. Think. And then every time just go a little bit right, a little bit further.
That's better already. Hey guys, did you know the power steering works better when there's fluid in it? So foamy.
I'm going to leave that like that for the moment.
Yeah, just let that marinate, bud. All right, now you're blinding me.
And see where we are
In a little while.
tomorrow. Or
Well, he'll check it tomorrow because I think Burnsy's going to do inspection tomorrow.
okay.
Did you just shit your pants?
No, I farted.
Close enough.
With a...
That little asshole's talking shit behind your back.
Right? That's what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
he skipped! He got me with the flavor, Burnsie. And with that,
That was my version of the flavor saver. Okay.
and with that, I bid you adieu.